Hello guys, so this is actually it. Now we are making about 10k dollars with just $700. And you want to know how we did this? Please watch this video to the end. Are you a beginner in forex trading? Do you want to actually participate in our online activities? Do you want to know more about forex trading? Do you want to learn real quick on how to become a profitable trader? Or maybe you've lost so much money in the forex market, you needed somebody to recover all the money or someone to trade for you as a professional. Well, you are actually not in a wrong place. This channel actually came to you not by a mistake, but by grace. Well, this is actually your opportunity to participate in our account management. What you just need to do is to go to my bio, click the link on my bio. It will direct you over to my free Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel and start making money in our account management. Message me as you join our free Telegram channel. Message the admin for an account management. Bring how much you brought to the table, how much equity you have actually got: 5,000, 10,000, $500, $600, $700. How much equity you've actually brought to the table. We are gonna be making as much as we are making in this particular video. And I'm not gonna lie to you. This is actually one of my student accounts we are actually managing. So back to where I stop you guys. For those of you guys looking for a way to actually participate and know how to make this particular kinds of profit in the forex market and couldn't, well, this is your opportunity. Still join my free Telegram channel. If you're watching from YouTube, well, go to my bio, click the link on my bio, or go to my description if you're watching from YouTube, or comment section. You'll see the link on our comment section. Click the link on our comment section for free Telegram channel. Join us and start participating in everything we do, and you're gonna be learning a real quick on how to become a profitable trader in forex market. So for those of you guys that want to know how we made this particular trade, well, first of all, like, comment, share the video to as many as you can, and comment if you've watched to this particular extent. Comment how much you've lost in the forex market, and I'm going to be showing you a real quick on how we made this particular profit. Have you done that? I'm waiting for you. Comment how much you've lost in the forex market this particular year, and come back to this video, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how we made this particular profit, so that you copy me and paste. And don't forget, in our free Telegram channel, we're gonna be showing you a lot of ways to actually make massive profit. And also message me if you want to join our VIP Telegram channel, where we are going to be sharing free signals and more opportunities like this in my VIP Telegram channel. So what are you waiting for? Join us right now and be a good trader and stop losing. Say enough to a losing trade, and say enough for all the losses you've actually made in forex market. So join us right now. For those of you guys, let me repeat, for those of you guys that have lost so much money in forex market, this is your opportunity to make it back in forex. So if you're watching from TikTok, click the link on my bio. It will direct you over to my free Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel and message me with amount of equity you have actually brought, and I'll manage it and make as much as profit as you're seeing right now. If you're watching from YouTube, well, do the same. Go to my bio or description. Go to my description, or you can go to my comment section. Click the link on my comment section or my description. It will direct you over to my free Telegram channel. Join us and make this particular profit with us. All right. So now I'm gonna be showing you exactly how we made this profit, but that will be in my next upper video. I'm gonna be explaining it bit by bit, so watch till the end, and don't forget to follow us in order to see my previous video or my next video. All right, so for those of you guys that will be looking for, maybe thinking, how am I going to be meeting up with the videos? Well, that's important, because you need to join our free Telegram channel, so that anytime we post, I will definitely post the link on my free Telegram channel. That will enable you to go to my bio or to my YouTube or TikTok to watch the videos. Now I'm going to be explaining bit by bit how we made this history in profit in my next upper video. So do well on to don't miss out this particular videos because I'm going to be dropping it on this particular page. So follow for more, like, comment, share the video to as many as you can, and to show me that you've actually watched it, drop how much you've lost in forex market, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to as many as you can. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video, or rather, see you guys in my free Telegram channel for an account management and other things you have in mind to trade. Have a nice day. Trade wisely, and please don't deposit what you can't afford to lose. Have a nice day. Thank you.